Hey guys, what's up? Today we are going to review a product which comes in a retro feel and will bring nostalgia for some people. So this is the Gameboi Apple Watch stand from DailyObjects. This is not an electronic item, not a tech gadget, but this is just a stand which will work with your existing Apple Watch charger. Best thing or the main thing about this product is that this comes with the same feel of Gameboi which we would have played in our childhood. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. So guys, as we know, this is going to be a fairly simple product without any electrical components in it. This is just a stand which gives you a retro feel of the Gameboi console that we had. And this is going to work with your existing magnetic Apple wireless charger that you get for your Apple Watch. So here is some information or some features which says that the compatibility versions are design that it's easy to use, the material it's made of, and a disclaimer. So this packaging is fairly simple. So let's open it now. And as expected, there will be not much of anything inside. So it's just a stand which is made of plastic or ABS plastic. So let's open it. And here it is. So this is a placeholder of how your watch is going to look like. So my bad guys, this is not made of plastic. This is scratch-free silicone, and you get these two buttons which gives you feel of the actual buttons that you used to get with the Gameboi, and this is the smaller cursor control or the arrow controls, and these are the start or pause buttons that we had earlier, and this was the cutout for speaker in the original Gameboi. So this pretty much mimics that, and instead of screen here we'll have our Apple Watch on display, and your charger will fit here. So the wires will go from there and come out of here. So this, on the back side, you get the branding of DailyObjects, and this is the what you used to get as a battery component on the original. This is just a mimic of that. So this looks really good. So we have here our Apple Watch, the charger, and the Gameboi stand. So now let's insert this charger into the stand. So this is the process. First of all, you have to get your charger through here, and the cable should come. Okay, now you have to be careful that your charger should fit in here, and this fits. So I have the Apple Watch SE, and this is the charger that I got with the original in the original box, and it fits very perfectly. So I'm just hoping, since all the watch chargers are of same size, so even Apple Watch 6 or any Apple Watch which is I guess supports Apple Watch OS 2 and above will fit here perfectly. So now we have to get it through here, and this is done. So now your charger can stand. So now let's try to fit our Apple Watch on it. So this is Apple Watch SE, and it fits very perfectly in this small cutout and on the magnetic charger. So this is not falling, so which means that the magnetic charger is stick to this Apple Watch case, and this is a perfect fit for this case. I think this is a 44mm watch, and with 40mm also I think it will fit perfectly. It should not be a problem. And you can either strap your belt like these straps on the back of this stand, or you can leave it open however you like it on a table, or on your bedside table. So for now I have connected the charger to my laptop via the adapter that I have, and I'll do the cable management later. So I'm going to keep it on my desk, so it will always be here on the desk, so that whenever I work, so since I spend most of the time on my desk, so I'll charge the watch on my desk. So let's see how it fits and how it turns on. So let's just put it in. So you can see that it started charging, and you can see the time and the day, whatever you're on, you configure the watch to show on lock screen, you can see that here. And the point is that you can put it both ways, but the problem with the other way around is that it won't detect the orientation as landscape, and it will just show it in a portrait mode. So you should always keep the crown towards the outside or towards the up, and then you can keep your watch so it will take this mode as a landscape mode. So this little baby here is a good purchase for me, as I got bored of charging it with the normal charger and just keeping it on the charger like this with the strap on and like open or closed. So now I have some fancy stand for the charger. So DailyObject has some other models available as well for this, so you can go check it out, and I'll put the links in the description below for all the models available. So guys, we have reached towards our last section where I talk about why I bought this and why you should buy it if you are looking for a Apple Watch stand or a charger stand. Before we start that, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. So first of all, let's talk about why I bought this. So what happened was, this watch is always on my left hand, and whenever I work or type, this watch was making me uncomfortable, which I was not able to type with full speed, or sometimes it get stuck on the laptop or on the keyboard. So that's why I wanted a stand or a dock or a charger to remove the watch and keep it on that. So that's why I bought this. This was the only reason why I needed this, and apart from it, I don't think I needed it like for any other reason or for fancy reason. So now let's talk about, should you buy this? So I would say that this product is on the higher side of the budget. So 500 to 600 for this product is, I feel that it's a bit costly. If it would have been around 300, 400, it would have been great product for that price range, and it would have been value for money. So now, since this is on a little bit on the higher side of the budget, so I would say that if you need it, you should buy it, but don't buy it for the purpose like I want to show it off or something like that. So if you really need it, buy it. You want to like have a stand for your watch in the night whenever you're charging, or like if you want to have a charger on the work desk and you don't want to clutter, so you can buy it. But if you're getting something of the similar sort, like a watch stand for 200, 300 rupees from anywhere else, you can buy it. But if you want something of this feel or this gaming design, then go check out the DailyObjects watch stand. They have 3 different designs, so you can check them out, and they all are in the similar price range, so you can choose whatever you like. If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my channel and hit the like button. Till we meet again.